Here we have a 2012 Toyota Camry, a very clean foreign used car as you can see. This is a lovely review of this car. It has a reverse camera, you can see it is luxury edition. This is the side view of it. This is the engine. It has a 4-plug VVTi engine with a durable battery that will serve you. This car is just for you to come for inspection. The catalyst, everything is intact. This is the lovely interior of this car. You can see how it is. It is a fabric mixed with leather interior, so clean and demure. And this is a comfortable backseat view, so clean. It has 3 headrests, as you can see down here, with cup holders and enough legroom space. It has a clean dashboard. You can see the long Android screen reverse camera, automatic transmission, controls on the steering, factory fitted AC, clean dashboard, and this car has a seal roof. So if you need any of these cars, the phone number to call is 091 3924 9100, and this car is going for 16.5 million naira, and it is slightly negotiable. Here we have another 2012 Toyota Camry, very clean. You can see this one is a very clean car. Buy and drive, nothing to worry about. This is the review of this car. This one is an XLE extra luxury edition, fullest option of it. This is a foreign used car, don't forget. This one has a V6 engine and 2GRFE with a durable battery that will serve you. Just come for inspection. Everything is intact, working perfectly well. This is the lovely gray leather seat interior of this car. It's very clean with a black dashboard. The interior is so comfortable. This is the back seat view. Like I said, this is the extra luxury edition, fullest option of it. It has back AC vent with enough legroom space. That is the dashboard. You can see automatic transmission, controls on the steering, reverse camera, sound system. That's the factory fitted AC, and this car comes with a sun roof. And this car is going for 16.5 million naira, and it is slightly negotiable. Here with me is a 2015 Hyundai Sonata, a very clean foreign used car. Take a look at the lovely side view of this Hyundai Sonata. This is the lovely review of this Hyundai Sonata. It is a sport edition. You can see it has double exhaust, and also take a look at the lovely side view. This car comes with a GDI 4-plug engine. It is very fuel economical with a strong battery that will serve you. It has a grey leather seat interior mixed with black. Take a look at how demure the interior is. Buy and drive with controls on the steering. Here we have the comfortable back seat view, enough legroom space. As you can see, headrest here for you to have your peace of mind. This car has a lot of features. Clean dashboard, you can see it has a control on the steering, automatic drive, AC, reverse camera, and this car has a sealed roof. Then if you can only get 16.5 million naira and bring it, we'll give you this car. Here with me is a 2015 Honda Civic, a very clean foreign used car. This car is fuel economical. It does not consume fuel. Take a look at the alloy rim. This is the rear view of this Honda Civic. You can see it is buy and drive, nothing to fix. This is the engine of this Honda Civic. It is a 4-plug engine and it's durable battery. This car has a low fuel consumption. It does not consume fuel. Here we have the lovely fabric seat interior. You can see mixed with leather. Everything is so clean and portable. This is the passenger seat. You can see how it is. Very spacious. You can just sit there, humbly sit here and enjoy yourself. That is the dashboard. You can see reverse camera, automatic drive, factory fitted AC, clean dashboard, controls on the steering, and this car also, it is a thumb start. This is also the sunroof, and this lovely car is going for just 16 million naira only. Here we have a 2012 Chrysler 300, very clean foreign used car, 2012 model. You can see how it is. This is the rear view of this Chrysler 300, as you can see right there, and also take a look at the lovely side view with a beautiful alloy rim. It has a 3.6 liters V6 engine and also a durable battery that will serve you. Everything is intact, buy and drive. All these cars are American spec. Check out the beautiful, lovely interior of this Chrysler. You can see the logo. Everything is so clean, buy and drive, nothing to worry about. Chrysler. Alright, this is the comfortable backseat view. You can see enough legroom space, headrests, and also back AC vent. This car comes with a lot of features. You can see the dashboard, very clean, beautiful Formica design, automatic drive, thumb start, controls on the steering. The AC is working with the reverse camera and a sealed roof. All you just need to have is 15.5 million naira, and then you go home with this car. Here with me is a foreign used Mercedes-Benz GL550. Very clean foreign used car. Take a look at the lovely side view. This is the review of this car. It is a 4MATIC with a reverse camera. It also has parking sensor. This SUV is very clean. This is the lovely engine of this car. You can see it has a powerful V8 engine and a durable battery. Everything is working perfectly well. Buy and drive, nothing to fix. This is a lovely grey leather seat interior. You can see how lovely this interior is. Very clean. Buy and drive. This car has an amazing future. Here we have the lovely backseat view of this car. You can see it is very clean and comfortable. It has two DVD head player and also back AC vent. It also comes with the third row seat. Clean dashboard, Formica designs all over, reverse camera, factory fitted AC, controls on the steering, and this car has a sun roof at the front and also at the back right here. And this lovely car you see right here, GL 550, is going for 13.5 million naira only. Here with me also is another foreign used Range Rover Supercharged 2008 model, a very clean, lovely SUV. This is the review of this Range Rover. You can see supercharged boldly within there. This is a luxury SUV for your ride. Here is the engine. This car comes with a powerful V8 engine with a strong battery. I mean, all these cars I'm showing you, the batteries are very durable, the engines are very good and sound engines. Just come for your inspection. Here we have the lovely milk leather interior. It is also mixed with black. You can see black designs some sides of the interior, and also it has a clean dashboard, very clean, an amazing future. This Range Rover is very sweet. Don't forget, it is supercharged. This is the lovely back seat view, very comfortable, 3 headrests, also back DVD head player with back AC vent, clean dashboard, factory fitted AC, automatic transmission, controls on the steering. This car is giving this a very good, clean and luxury ride with a sunroof. And this car is going for 13.5 million naira only. Here with me is a direct Belgium BMW 528i, very clean car. You can see it has a beautiful rim, BMW customized on it. This is the lovely review of this car. It also have back sensor right here with double exhaust. See how it is. This car has a very clean, powerful V6 engine and also a durable battery that will serve you. This is a lovely black leather seat interior. This is black interior on silver exterior. Also, this car comes with dynamic features. You can see controls on the steering. Everything is working perfectly well. And here also we have the comfortable back seat view. View it for yourself. You can see 3 headrests. The seat is so clean, spaces for to keep your legs, AC vent, clean dashboard for Mica designs, automatic transmission. It also has a knob and also controls on the steering, reverse camera, factory fitted AC with a sun roof. This car has dynamic features that you will love to get. Just with your 13 million naira, this car is yours. Here we have a 2007 Ford E350 bus. You can see very clean, long bus. You can use this bus for school or in your offices to carry your staffs or your pupils from their homes. This is the review of this Ford E350. You can see it is super duty, you know, very clean, long frame bus. This car has a powerful engine, very strong. You can see the battery here is durable. Everything is working very well. It is intact, buy and drive. This is the lovely fabric seat interior, a very clean interior. You can see it's a long frame. You can use it to carry so many passengers. It also has AC vent on the roof, clean dashboard, as you can see, good sound system. You know, the AC is actually working. Everything is working very well. And this bus is going for just 13 million naira. With a 13 million naira, this bus is yours. Here we have a 2004 Toyota Sequoia, very clean, powerful car. And this car is the car that you love to get during rainy season. This is the review of this car. You can see Toyota Sequoia with a powerful V8 engine, all-wheel drive. Take a look at the lovely side view of it. This car comes with a powerful V8 engine, 4.7 liters engine capacity, and also a durable battery that will serve you. This is the lovely interior of this car. It is a brown leather seats interior, very clean, buy and drive. This car is very high in terms of when you're driving it on the road, you don't even have any water entering your car, stuff like that. This is the comfortable back seat view, very high, clean, spacious. It has a third row seat, also very comfortable. Roof DVD player, clean dashboard, reverse camera, sound system, control buttons on the steering. This car has auxiliary and also with a sun roof. Guess how much is this car? With your 10 million naira, you can actually purchase this car. Here with me is a 2009 Toyota Solara. This car is a convertible car. You can take a look at the roof. It has a convertible roof. Take a look at the side view of this sports car. This is the rear view of this Solara. You can see that it is a convertible. I'm not just kidding. This car has a powerful V6 engine, 3.3 liters, with a durable battery that will serve you buy and drive, nothing to fix. Here we go. This is the lovely gray leather seat interior. You can see how it is. Buy and drive. Beautiful interior. You can see it has a lot of functions. This is the back seat view. So comfortable and clean. Two headrests, as you can see right here. And this car has good sound system, controls on the steering, automatic transmission, Formica designs on the door. You can see also clean dashboard with a convertible roof. Don't forget, this car just has two doors. And this lovely car you see here is going for 9.5 million naira only. Here with me is a 2008 Chrysler 300. It has a lovely alloy rim. This is the rear view of this car. You can see how it is, very clean with the lovely side view too. This is the engine of this car. It comes with a 3.5 liters V6 engine and a strong battery. Here we go, the lovely ash leather seat interior of this car. Take a look at how clean it is. This car is Chrysler. It comes with the dynamic features that you will love. This is the comfortable back seat view. See how it is. 3 headrests, legroom space with back AC vents too. It has a clean dashboard, factory fitted AC. Steering, you can see automatic drive, factory fitted AC, clean dashboard with a sun roof. And this car you see right here is going for 9 million naira only. Here with me is a 2004 Lexus ES330, a very clean foreign used car. This is the rear view of this ES, and also take a look at the lovely side view of it also. This car comes with the VVTi V6 in the 3.3 liters, you can see, and the durable battery that will also serve you. This is the lovely leather seat interior. It's an ash leather seat interior, very clean, buy and drive, nothing to fix. Here is also the back seat view, very comfortable for your passengers, 3 headrests, enough legroom space with also back AC vent. It has a clean dashboard, automatic transmission, good sound system, AC is working very well. That's the steering, you can see, and also it has a sun roof. And this car is going for just 9 million naira only. My name is Wisdom. Welcome to Video Map Autos. So if you need any of these cars, the phone number to call is 091 3924 9100. 091 3924 9100. That number is also our WhatsApp number. You can either text us or give us a call. We are active 247. Alright, and our company is located along Rumola Stadium Link Road, opposite NNPC filling station, Port Harcourt, River State, Nigeria.